Canva has made it really easy for us to create and design YouTube thumbnails. In this video, we will see some of the key factors and some of the metrics needed to create a wonderful thumbnail that really captures the attention of your viewers. So the main key factors that we see here are: for an effective YouTube thumbnail, it should be a 1280 by 720 pixels, which is in the aspect ratio 16:9. You want to use high quality and clear images, but don't worry about it because Canva takes care of that. And we want to include relevant text, which is also easy to read and grab attention, but there shouldn't be too much text as well. You can also use any different languages. If at all you see that Canva doesn't support your native language, you can type it in any other software, export that as an image, and then import into Canva to use your own custom text or font. So the basic factor here is that it should convey the video's content. That's very important. Diving more deeper into the size and resolution, you will see that the recommended size is this one, 1280 by 720 pixel. And as we saw earlier, the aspect ratio is 16:9. The minimum width that you want to keep is 640 pixels, or else the image would be more blurry. The file formats that supported by YouTube are JPEG and PNG for best results. You want to keep the image file size under 2 megabytes, otherwise the YouTube uploading system might not accept it. Speaking of the visual elements, I would suggest to keep your images high quality, use sharpness, and you can also adjust these minute nuances within Canva. Ensure that these are all very clear, and you can also zoom out a little bit, which we will see in a minute. And while I'll show the designing in Canva, you can just zoom out a bit or make it much more smaller to see if the image is clearer even from at a distance. Make sure if you have any branding that you want to support and show up upfront in your YouTube thumbnails, make sure you are consistent with that. Also see if there are any emotional appeal by including your face or emojis or emotions that you want to show up or invoke in your viewer's mind. Ultimately, if it is more action oriented, I think that's much more better, and this is exactly where the text can come into a bigger help for you. Just to summarize the text elements, make it easy to read, keep it concise and shorter to the point. Use just relevant text, do not use anything that are like clickbaity, and keep the placements in different positions, and you can also test them by using different thumbnails, because YouTube allows 3 thumbnails for many of us, and if it doesn't allow, you can just use one thumbnail and keep the placements ready so that you can test it using any click-through rates and change it over time. Do not keep your image too busy with text, so that's very important. Finally, you can also test and then check your performance in terms of thumbnail design, so that you can just go into YouTube analytics, and I think you can find multiple videos which will teach you how to do that. Now let's get into action and see inside Canva how to design your own YouTube thumbnail. Once inside Canva, just click on this YouTube thumbnail, or you can also search here for YouTube thumbnail. Multiple dimensions will come up. In this video, we will see the basic landscape design. Alright, so this is how it shows up with some of the templates on the left side which you can choose from. Some of these are pro templates which will be shown with this crown symbol, but most of them are like free, which you can use. I'm going to use this one. Now all of the elements that you see here, text, the rectangle, this image, everything is replaceable, and you can also customize this with any other design here. For this video purpose, I'll just go with the basics, and you can see how to customize this one. Click on the text inside and change the font or the color, or make it bold and italics. You can also change the colors by clicking on the rectangle element and choosing to, maybe if you want a different color, you can do that. Same goes for any other text, where you can customize the font, the font size, the font face, the font size, the font color, and also the text within. The image can be replaced by uploading an image of your own, or you can also choose from other areas by clicking on elements and searching for an image. If you go into photos, you can see these here. Once you're happy with the design, you can click on share and then click on the download option and choose PNG or JPEG. and then click on download. And this can be uploaded to your YouTube. And that's how, my friend, you can design your YouTube thumbnail easily using Canva.